With precision scheduled railroading, the focus was all on over-the-road movements, running their trains from origin to destination. The focus was taken away from the interplant switching and some of the intricacies. Our customers was looking for options. What else was out there that could tackle what they needed to do at a better cost point? Cando was positioned very well to move into that role.
Since our founding more than 45 years ago, Cando Rail and Terminals has played a critical role in improving the efficiency of the North American rail network. With more than 1,000 world-class employee operators, Canada's largest non-Class 1 fleet of locomotives, award-winning safety culture, a leading-edge sustainability program including the development of Canada's first-ever battery-powered switching locomotive, an employee ownership program with more than 70% employee participation, which results in a culture customers can rely on, and recognized as one of Canada's best-managed Platinum member companies. We are an essential part of North American rail. We're present from coast to coast, fully integrated into the North American rail network. We operate at more than 40 customer-owned refineries, mines, mills, plants, and rail yards, 12 Cando-owned terminals, and have trackage rights on Class 1 track at numerous locations, which we refer to as virtual short lines. These components operate as an integrated network of rail infrastructure, delivering a powerfully differentiated experience to our customers and Class 1 partners.
When we talk about first mile, last mile, in large part, that's the most expensive part of the journey for that rail car. And that's where we excel.
Cando's network of rail infrastructure and railroading expertise, providing first mile, last mile service, combines to create a virtual short line operation connecting industry to Class 1 railways.
Places like Esterhazy for Mosaic, we were able to have trackage rates on the 25 miles from Esterhazy into Bredenbury. Run a full unit train starting at Esterhazy and running up to Bredenbury and interchanging that train off to CP, making it very convenient for the railways to run that traffic out for our customer.
Our unique model drives measurable top and bottom line results for both customers and Class 1s alike. For our customers, we ensure service dependability and improved safety performance. Our solutions deliver meaningful impacts to the production throughput and railcar volumes. Our ability to run on Class 1 track saves our Class 1 partners time and costs, while at the same time improving revenues through increased railcar volume and greater safety credibility. We deliver win-win solutions no one else can. We operate at approximately 40 customer-owned refineries, mines, mills, plants, and rail yards, where we provide numerous customer service, including rail switching, unit train, assembly and brake testing, railcar fleet management, transloading, material handling, and more. We are a critical piece of our customers' rail infrastructure. Our diverse mix of blue-chip customers are some of North America's largest shippers, and we operate their most important sites. Our long-term partnerships and numerous contract escalations reflect the critical role we play in getting our customers' products to the market. We work with our customers as a trusted advisor, not just a service provider. We've earned their trust by delivering continuous improvements in safety and dependability inside and outside the yard. We are the face of our customers' rail operations. Our Class 1 partners prefer and trust Cando thanks to our shared operating mentality and safety track record. As a result, Our Class 1 partners allow Cando to operate on their track to enable first and last mile service to the customer. Our customers rely on Cando to solve their most complex challenges with solutions delivered in-yard on the Class 1 track and inside Cando's terminals. Our reach is the culmination of deep relationships and decades-long of investments into our people and our network. Our assets add critical capacity and services to the Canadian rail network. We own and operate Canada's only non-Class 1 terminal network.
Overall, Cando believes in embedding itself deeply into the supply chain of a region. We provide significant benefits to our customers and our Class 1 partners as a result.
Cando's terminals are independent operations, but work to anchor our in-yard operations. Our in-yard and terminal operators work closely to turn our assets into seamless extensions of our customers' sites.
Cando has the expertise to design, build, finance, maintain, and operate rail terminals to help move product across our customers' supply chain.
By providing our customers ready access to railcar inventory and nearby capacity to build and brake test trains. Our terminals are key to a dependable rail logistics operation. We have invested significantly in developing our logistics terminal footprint, targeting some of Canada's most congested pockets of rail activity, and successfully pioneered a virtual short-line model. In doing so, we have transformed network fluidity and improved the dependability of rail operations in the regions we serve, making Cando Rail and Terminals North America's most trusted rail advisor.